1986 Topps Unsealed Wax Pack. Let's see what they left us in this one. No gum in this one, but that's all right. All right, got our advertisement card as always. Mel Hall, Kurt Young, Tim Burke, Red Sox leaders with Mike Greenwell. Nope, Dwight Evans. That was my second pick. Keith Atherton, Cliff Johnson, Dave Von Olen, Stu Clyburn, Jack Morris, Tom Brookins, Tony Bernazard, Dusty Baker, Gary Roenick, Ron Oyster, and finally Sammy Stewart with the gum stain. All right, that was a bit of a dud, but still fun to open. 1986 Topps Unsealed Rack Pack. Thanks for watching.